Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these professional 5-speed low noise heavy duty cordless dog clippers. These have everything you need to start clipping on your fur friend. Alright, so right here we have the new generation of Pro clippers. These ones are super nice. They are upgraded. They have 33 fine teeth with titanium ceramic blades. So they compare with other ones. They have 33 teeth, stainless steel. They keep cool and they cut smoothly. So you can detach and easy to install the blade. It's got 5 speeds for flexible use. So right here, first off, you do have the instructions manual. This just tells you how to take care of the clippers, how to use them, what the modes are. They do have mode 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there is 5 modes with this set. These are low noise and low vibrations. It works around 50 decibels. Compared to the other ones are 60 plus decibels. So right here is the charging cable, and then in here you can see you have adjustable combs. So this one's for like the right ear, left ear. You've got your sizes 0 up to I believe 5. You get your brush to clean out the clippers themselves. You get a set of scissors. And then at the bottom, you get a nice metal comb to help comb out the knots of your fur friend. So this is super heavy duty. This does a USB charging. It's used for multiple use. You can use it by a phone charger, power bank, by a PC. So this has a 2200 milliamp battery. 3 hours of charging equals 90 minutes of cordless. Can be used while charging. So here are the other combs. You have other sizes. It tells you right here the other sizes. You got some extra ones here. So depend on how you want to cut your fur friend. You have different combs to choose from. And then here is the blade itself. It has a 33 fine teeth. The blade switch to lengthen the adjuster. Working time is 90 minutes. So we're going to turn on so you can see just how loud it is. Now you can see by the low, medium, high, and super high, it is not loud at all. So right here at the bottom is the charging mode. So this just tells you how much battery you have left. To turn it on, you just hold down the power button. To turn it off, you just hold it down again. So you can see the blades right here. These have 33 teeth that are titanium ceramic blade compared to the traditional 24 tooth cutter head. The cutter is smooth. Heat disruption, it is more uniform to the durability and that it is durable, so you don't have to worry about it snagging on your dog's hair. It's got a really nice ceramic at the top, and then you've got the titanium at the bottom, and it is easy to replace. You have these screws here on the bottom to replace the blade. So now you can change the modes. Like I said before, this does have 5 modes, and it is easy to take off the blade. You just lift this part at the bottom and then it just pulls off the blade, so you can replace the blade. And then to put it on, you just snap it in there in the right place, push it down, and then it'll lock into place and it's ready to go. And then you have your adjusters at the bottom. You have 5 adjusters, so you can adjust it how you see fit. So this is a super nice dog clipper if you're looking for a nice dog clipper that doesn't snag your dog's hair and that is super quiet and that does not produce any heat. I would highly recommend this one. You can see that the charging port here is at the bottom. This is cordless, so it works 90 minutes on each charge.